From Actionable Ops, here's how to switch the model Hermes uses, from the terminal, mid-session, or per command, and how to pick which one. Hermes is model-agnostic. Same agent, same tools. Pick any brain that fits the job. There are 3 places you switch from your terminal before a session, with /model inside a session, and per command with -m on a one-shot. Start in the terminal. Run Hermes model. That's the full setup wizard. Add a provider. Run OAuth. Paste an API key. Pick from the provider's catalog and save it as your new default. This is the only command that can wire up a new provider. Inside a chat, /model swaps between providers you have already set up. Type /model Claude Sonnet 4. You swap. Add -- global to save it as default. The gotcha. /model can't add new providers. To add one, exit the session and run Hermes model from the terminal instead. For a one-off, use -m, like Hermes -z -m, anthropic /Claude Opus 4.7, your prompt. The model changes just for that one command. Your default stays untouched. Useful for cron, scripts, or trying a model without committing. Pick a lane based on what you need. Local OLlama if you want it offline, private and free. Direct providers like Anthropic, OpenAI, or Google for frontier quality. Open router for one key and a huge catalog. Noose Portal for everything in one subscription. You can now swap models on the fly for cost or capability. For more Hermes how-tos, go to actionableops.com.